At ROCK Robotic, we specialize in turnkey LiDAR solutions, seamlessly integrating our ROCK R3 V2 and ROCK R3 Pro V2 onto the DJI M350, our top recommendation for most users. But we understand that one size doesn't fit all. That's why we've developed custom integration kits for leading American-made drones, including NDAA-compliant and Blue USAS-approved ones such as the Freefly Astro Max and the inspired IF800 Tomcat. For even greater flexibility, our ROCK Universal Mount allows you to attach a ROCK R3 V2 or ROCK R3 Pro V2 LiDAR to any drone that can carry the payload, and fits our 32mm by 32mm mounting pattern. This mount features an M3 screw compatibility, GPS out with an SMA connector, and a LEMO connector for power, ensuring seamless integration across various platforms. Need guidance or have questions? Our team is here to help. Contact us at sales@rockrobotic.com.